Today I'm going to teach you how to enable direct bank account transfer on WooCommerce WordPress. This is a really useful payment option if you want to give your customers the ability to pay directly from their bank account, which can help reduce transaction fees and offer more payment flexibility. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logging in with the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need admin privileges to adjust payment settings. After you've logged in, look over to the left navigation menu. You'll see a variety of options listed there, and what we're looking for is WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on WooCommerce. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several additional options. From this list, click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to control all the core configurations for your online store, including payment methods. Now you're in the Settings menu. Look towards the top part of your screen and you'll see several tabs representing different settings sections. From here, click on Payments. This section is dedicated to managing all the payment gateways and methods available for your store. You'll see a list of payments you can add and integrate with your WooCommerce setup. Under the payment options, locate and click on Take Offline Payments. This category includes methods like direct bank transfer, checks, and cash on delivery. To enable direct bank transfers, simply click on Enable next to the direct bank transfer option. This activates the payment method and makes it available to your customers during checkout. Once you've enabled it, you'll notice that the button changes to Manage. Click on Manage to open up the configuration page. This is where you can customize your direct bank transfer information to suit your business needs. Start by filling in the title, which is what customers will see as the payment option name. Then add a description that explains this payment method clearly. You'll also want to include instructions for this method, guiding customers on how to complete the transfer. Most importantly, add and link your bank details to this payment method. This typically includes your bank name, account number, sort code, and any other relevant information customers will need to send you money directly. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Once everything is added and configured to your satisfaction, click on Save Changes. This finalizes the setup and makes direct bank transfer live on your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've successfully enabled direct bank account transfer as a payment option on your WooCommerce WordPress site, giving your customers another convenient way to pay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.